Welcome to CimatronE video demonstrations for die makers. In this short clip, we will model this sheet metal part from scratch in CimatronE's hybrid environment. The first step is to designate the object as a skin. We will then sketch the boundaries of a wireframe blank on the skin. The next step is to swiftly remove a solid extrusion from the skin. Because CimatronE provides you with a hybrid environment in which to work, you can perform both solid and surface operations on the skin to save time and easily achieve any level of complexity. Solid operations you can perform on the skin include all kinds of extrusions. You can also round on the skin and cut, as well as extend, wrap, create holes, and more. CimatronE includes applicative operations like bending, which are tailored to work with sheet metal parts and strip design. While we freely perform bending operations on the skin, CimatronE takes into account the fact that the skin represents a piece of sheet metal with a three-dimensional character. You can seamlessly tackle operations like rounding on the boundaries of the skin, as we have demonstrated here. When you add a surface to the skin, as we are doing right now on both sides of the object, you can perform a solid operation to round the joint, or you can perform a surface operation and quickly make modifications using a rich set of surfacing tools. Working in solids is fast, but sometimes you need to switch to surfaces to achieve the accuracy and level of complexity you're looking for. That's not a problem on CimatronE, where all solid and surface operations are available at all times. In this section, we are using a combination of surface and solid operations to achieve exactly the geometry we want, quickly and simply. One of the essential time-saving features built into CimatronE is the ability to create a personal library of features you will be using in more than one part. Here, we are using a dimple we had stored in our library and inserting it into the object. The hybrid environment allows you to immediately incorporate the imported item into the skin, and it is recognized as part of the object straight away. And finally, you can convert a skin into a solid shell in just one click at any point. And you can continue to perform operations like rounding on the solid object. And that's it. Working in CimatronE's hybrid environment to perform solid and surface operations on the skin freely throughout the project, we have succeeded in modeling the part accurately from scratch in a short period of time. The entire process took under a half hour.